factory cycled and saved. It's about 25 degrees out, so I had to kick that a couple of times to get it going. Today we've got a 2005 Rm250. Got an extra seat and some fenders and stock pipe, original cylinder, some other stuff. And I've got the sheet that he gave me. It's got less than 3 hours on a fresh Wisco crank. They put new exhaust, fresh clutch, and it's got some nicer Excel rims on it, new seat, just really nice bike. Again, it's got less than 3 hours on it on the rebuild. Might have 5 or 6 by the time we part it, because I think we need to ride this. The 05 Rm250, I think, is the 250 to have. It does have the newer Showa suspension setup. When Suzuki did that, I think it was a better bike than the Honda. If you've got a Rm250 and you're looking for either that suspension setup, the wheels, they did have the swing arm and the frame powder coated, so it shouldn't wear off. Trying to think what else. Really nice, solid, tight, clean bike. The guy that had it, he really hasn't ridden it for over a year since he got it redone, rode it once. But lifestyle change, he can't be riding a bike, and now it's here. So if you need parts, remember, subscribe down below, see what we've got here for you. Let us know. Thanks for watching. Get hold of us on eBay or Facebook. Let us know what you need for your Rm250 or other bikes. Thanks for watching.